Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this plantain fufu. Yes, I love this plantain fufu because it's so light. You're going to enjoy it. This is my favorite now. Like, this is the fufu I eat now with all kind of soup, and you can have it with stew, tomato stew as well. So let's get to the ingredient and the process. So what you need is just your green plantain. That is all you need. So I'm going to be using 3 to make this one. So first I went ahead to wash and peel off the back of the plantain, and now I'm going to cube them in a little piece. I'm doing this for you to help me to blend them very fast. So you can cut them or slice them in any shape of your choice. Okay, so after slicing them into this piece, this is what I got from them. This is how I want them to look. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to add them into my blender. Yeah, after adding them into the blender, I'm going to add water, and the water, I'm not adding them all at once. Halfway to the plantain I added the first one because I don't want them to be too watery or to be too thick. But as I was blending it, it was too thick, so I added a little bit more water, just little water into it to help them blend very well. So go ahead and blend. Don't be scared to check your blender because that is how it's going to be done. So after blending them, this is the consistency I got from it, and this is the perfect consistency I was looking for. So now I'm going to add a little bit more water into the blender to wash off the one remaining in the blender. As you can see, I didn't add all the water. Over the heat, I'm going to start stirring them. I love to stand with the plantain because I don't like to have lumps on it. So I'm going to just go ahead to stir them like this until they start boiling. And you're going to see when they are going to start changing soon. Okay, so don't be scared, just stand there and continue to stir the plantain over a medium heat, not a high heat. Okay, because you will want this plantain to be well cooked. You wouldn't want them to cook with force. Okay, so as you can see, they are coming together. Don't worry if they have lump. They don't have lump as long as you are there stirring them, just like what you can see there. So I'm going to go ahead and continue stirring this plantain over the heat. Here we go, it's coming up together. So go ahead and continue to stir them until they change color. Yes, until they change color, which you're going to be seeing in a little bit, guys. This is so wonderful. I remember when my grand aunt was making this back home. I didn't understand what she was doing, but I found out that plantain fufu is very good for our health. It's very light and fast, very easy to digest. So here we go. It have changed color and it becomes this thick. Go ahead and make sure that they are all combined. Go ahead and stir them all up together for a couple of minutes again, just to make sure that they are well cooked, that some part is not cooked and the others cooked. Okay, so stir them. Go ahead and stir them for another 2 to 3 minutes, or let me say 2 minutes. Then after stirring them here, because I really love to cook my food very well, now I'm going to add water into the plantain and put the heat down to the lowest. The reason for this is I want to make sure that the plantain is well cooked. So don't be scared. Put the heat down on the lowest heat. As you can see, they are boiling. Don't worry if you think they're going to be soft. No, they're not going to be very soft. They're not going to be watering. So when you notice that they are boiling and the water is almost dried up, go ahead and continue stirring them again. Stir them until they all come together. Okay, it has a little bit of work, but you will enjoy it, just like doing semo or doing pounded yam or doing any other thing you can do, you know. So now I'm done. I turn off the heat and I'm going to put them on a clean film. You can use any plastic of your choice, or you can choose not to do this, but just to bring them together. So I'm going to add them into this cling film now, and I'm going to cover them and allow them to cool down. I like to have them when they are settled, when they are cold, not when they are very hot, because this is really hot. You wouldn't want to burn yourself. So now I'm just going to put them all up together on this plastic, and you will see how beautiful they are, and the color is so tempting, guys. So I had 2 of it like this with 3 plantain. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I enjoy it with my stew and my egusi soup, so feel free to try this method. You will love it. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next one. God bless you all. Bye.